What's up, guys? Welcome to your 15th PHP tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys something called functions and how to use them. Now, functions are actually one of the most useful and one of the easiest things to learn in PHP. So this is a kind of important tutorial to watch. Now, what a function is simply a set of code that anytime later when you want to write that code, that you just type in the function name, and it saves you from typing the whole bunch of code again. So hold on, got it. AIM lunchbox 10. So make sure whenever you're watching this tutorial and you have AIM, instant message lunchbox 10 and tell them to shut up and quit disrupting me during my tutorials. Alright, back to my tutorial. A function saves you a bunch of time when you want to code your site. So let me just tell you how to do this. The syntax to begin a function, first you type in function, and what this does is introduce it to PHP and let you know and tells it, alright PHP, we're going to be typing a function after this. And then after function, you type in any name that you want. Anything you want to call your function, and I'll call mine test fun. So now my function has the name test fun, and then you have to add something called the parameters like we worked with before. And we'll be going over these next time, but now we're just going to leave them empty for now. So now inside our function, any code that we want to execute, we execute within the curly braces. So any code that we want to tell this function to execute goes in between the curly braces right underneath it. So this function can do anything that you want it to do. What I'm going to have it do is echo easy hoss. I'm just going to have it basic echo output the text easy hoss. So now whenever we write the function test fun, it's going to echo the words easy hoss. So now if we go down here, and let's just say we're typing on the screen, or we write take it, and now if we don't want to go ahead and type all of this again, we can just type in the function's name. So we'll just write test fun. Make sure you include your empty parameters, and as you can see, when we save this, it should execute take it easy hoss, because that's the text for a function. As you can see, it says take it easy hoss. Now again, you don't only have to use it just once. This saves you from any time you want to write this again. You can just use the test fun. So let's say we're typing in some more code, and it said, first of all, let's add a line break so it's easier. And remember, you have to include it within quotes, and you add it with a period. So now we can say, I said take it, and then again you can say include my function right here. So again, not only do you have to use it once, but you can use it multiple times, and it saves you from typing this code each time. So now if we save it, it says take it easy hoss, and here's our function right here. I said take it easy hoss on the next line. And this is also useful, say, instead of changing all this code and all this code if you didn't use it, say easy James. Anytime you want to change a bunch of this for all the instances on your screen, you just have to change this one time. And now if we saved it, you can see take it easy James. I said take it easy James. And this is how you can include a block of code many times on your screen with only one set of actual coding, and it'll save you a bunch of time. So next time we're going to be going over how to actually use these parameters, but for now, study this, get the basic functions down. As you can see, it's really simple and it'll save you a bunch of time. Thanks.